Khubor Baro Shakathup Khubor Changi Gadon Bosco Media Network. Kibat Bakong San Minta Kasngi Kilong. Shiminta ka dbmnTv Boscom General Body Meeting Bengaluru. Pinpra Kamariang ye Cherry Blossom la Pinsinge Mardor. Thmuga KHADC Ban Pharia Thamma ye ki MDC Constituency. But Pin Inam Kari Japan ye ki Culture Hasusutham Auditorium. But Mintang in Pashi ki Khubor Bakam Banya. Laingut ki record Jangadon Bosco Media Network and Television ki bakantup yu Reverend Father Michael Makri, Director, Samla Mona Lisa Rimbai, but Samla Mary Riang, kila shakot ngobha banishiminta ha ka Boscom South Asia General Body Meeting ha Bengaluru, balapanyat da ka Bengaluru Silesian Province. Kani ka meeting kalasdang ha ka khat nyaw tarik, but kan kut ha ka khat kandai tarik Naiwieng. Yakini ka Jylla lapulong ha Don Bosco Provincial House Bengaluru ban ye mirjing mut halor kapang ban pinya hap sur bat ki jingkala kapor ha kaliang kilat pathai Khubor bat ban sandur ban sami ki Khubor batikna lingba ki digital jonkani ka juk. The evolving communication landscape pathways for effective solution digital ministry. Laple kini ka Jylla do Reverend Father Jose Thomas Koyakal, Provincial Bengaluru Province, rangkat u Reverend Father DB Lodusami, Provincial ka Chennai. U Anil Pinto, Registrar ka Christ University Bengaluru, ulapatiang ngobha bat batay ka jingtmu jang kini ka Jylla, hakilay pukandai ngut ki delegates ki badon kti hakilat pathay Khubor jang ka seng solution hadoba South Asia. Lapin po pin ping ye kasngi play jong kani ka Jylla de ki jing shat but ki jing put jing tem ne ki samla kani ka province.
Who is organizing this magnificent gathering of the Bosco delegates, general body. My dear delegates, my dear friends, for the joy of the Economy, dear friends. We are very happy to host this August meeting here at this provincial house at Bangalore. It is a simple, homely structure with limited facilities, but the rector and also all the members of this community has got large heart to make you feel happy at home, be at your service and take care of you. I personally welcome every one of you, especially my provincial Don Bosco, and all the dignitaries, and every one of you, dear delegates. I'm not coming from the field of communication, but I think every one of us are involved in one way or other, even silently communicating. Communication has been undergoing revolutionary changes. In fact, the theme that we have given for this annual general body meeting is a very wonderful one, evolving communication landscape, pathways for effective Silesian digital ministry. Silesians have been in this field from decades past, and we can say that we are in the forefront of media ministry with openness or resistance. I remember something interesting that I read about communication. There was a man who said, I haven't got a computer, but I was told about Facebook and Twitter, and I'm trying to make friends outside Facebook and Twitter while applying the same principles.
Uba anel pinto, ula shakhot bankran halor kapang jokalat patay Khubor, ula ong.
Context I will speak. Now, the word communication landscape. Communication is a technology. The word technology comes from the Greek word techne. Techne means that which reduces human labor. Okay, for example, how do you brush your teeth? With your left finger, right finger? Which, right or left? Huh? Yeah, that's right? We use toothbrush. Right? We can also use, but we use toothbrush. So toothbrush is the technology. Does it reduce human labor? Yes. It can reach the sections of your teeth which your finger cannot, and reduces time and labor required to brush your teeth. So anything that reduces that is technology. Retaining the idea of technology as techne, that which reduces human labor. Okay, so that's in our mind. What I'm going to say, that will be the underlying thread. Speech was a medium. It's a technique. It was a technology to communicate, right? So speech is a technology of two things. One is of communication and storage. That is why all these Rugveda and others, where you code your ideas into a way of framing it, so that is passed on. It's a technology of speech is a technology of communication and storage of information. And after speech comes what? After speech comes? Huh? Okay, script.
Ubreu utmu kamariang kapin pra yag cherry blossom arjar arpulai. Kinong penyat kilapin benapat ba nakadaw ba kamariang kalapin hap do slap bat password dakal air kabajur lapin sangye no mardori kini ketamasa balapin krek labun bun tayaw bat kabalapin mi igjerwet jerwat haki babun kilumpong perkat haki ni kitayaw balala. Kinong penyat kilapin bena da kaboong bakajing shingan jengki pai pa kalong kabakongsan haki jing mut jing perkat jengki. Kumta kilarai ban pinsangye no ikini ketamasa. Kilapin benaru bayi ki bayrung bagi pai pa kilathit kin sepen pai no lingba ki atiar jangkani kejuk menta. Kal air kabajur kalapin kala khongpong ya ke khilon pediang sngoba hakini kelempung. Ya kata masa cherry blossom lamang ban pelong haka khat nyeu khat prabat khat khandai terik Naiwieng haka jinglut bak sorkar Jylla kalamang umduna ya ke shpau klur tingka. Ki jinglut ban penkre ikini kata masa kilaki le no khamakha haki jingkhruwit ki bor mariang. Ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kalathmu ban pharia byang ki MDC constituency delimitation of MDC constituencies kat kum ki jingkala ba jingdan kam jang kapor. Yakani kijing thmu lapin khamti ha ka committee bakerpang ban lam khmat do Dr. S. Khars Imli unong bishar bala shong that na ka KHADC banwat benya bat bishar sani halor kini kijing thmu. U Dr. Khars Imli ha ka khat nyeu terik Naiwieng ula batai kinong thok Khubor ha press club halor ka jingdan kam ban pharia thamai ki MDC constituency la ka dei ban penhe ne penrit kat kum ka jingdan bat jingbun jinginong thap vote. Ulo ong ru iswa ban le ikini kam la ide ban penlong ye jingelang pai ba khanang ban tip ban yo jingmut bat ban yo sngawi ka sur jangki halor kini kam yakini jingelang pai ba en penlong hakaleng ki shnang jangki arp khandai li ki MDC constituency ki baha papo ka jingpet jingkmi jang ka KHADC habala yo jing ai jingmut na ki pai ba ka delimitation committee kan sa shim ye karai ban le ka bdon kam la ong Dr. Khars Imli
Iwan kenang kami nak kebentar pensai pepak hati jadi dia ketika delimitation ia kepada Peit dan district council karkum ke notification kepada arko trik penai Oktober arja keluar kalau tu ia ke delimitation committee kepada penkret ia ke delimitation bill dan kepada ki arko itu di constituency ki bahab apa putusan jangka kasil akan mas district council kumta ke komiti kalai syong berperkat bat pania mirjimut hati jingide berkani bangin bu ru iki public hearing kenang ba ninyo pan sngap ru iki ke baki pai final pan ong halor jong kani ke jitmu kumta ni lapan bet kum ne harum kat kum ka jing perlet na kalian jong kali ka komiti juni ka delimitation committee nilabu haka arpoi tarik jong bunai mantau bunai ha southwest Khasi Hills bat kajaka mungkin penong kadai hapo jong ka office jong ka district council hi hapo mo keluar kani kalau nak mendaki artli ki constituency ka mo keluar bat ka langrim nanta haka arpo south rek jong bunai mantai bunai min Lekban penlong ya ka public hearing hapo kani ka district kepada Meghalaya Eastern West Khasi Hills bat kecaka gin penlong hapo mayan tinanta haka arpo pra tarik mentau bunai hi ngin penlong na kamenta ka East Khasi Hills tamai kini naman ki constituency ki bon ngi hapan phia haki artali ki benta haka arpo pra tarik ngin penlong na kamenta ka Sarkam constituency Maukan Road nang tanong krem Langkardem Laikro nang tanong Shken bat mau sunra. But ia kene ke jaka berpeluang ia kene ke public hearing ibu apa ke office ke district council ni apa Shillong. Tenanta haka sitrik jong bulan Disember 4 ni peluang apa seorang civil subdivision. But ke jaka berpeluang kadai hi apa seorang hi nak kata kini ki artli ki constituency kata di seorang constituency but Shillong. Tenanta haka real tarik jong bulan Desember ni peluang ia kadeka public hearing hapo nakamta Karibuhay district berkajaka berpeluang kadai hapo district council office hapo nompo kadai nakamta kini kisan teliki constituency ki badan hapo Karibuhay takut ke Jylla nompo Mahati Umsning bat Umroy tinggi peluang ia kini haka real tarik jong bulan Desember. Tenanta sisyo haka khatlai tarik jong mulai Desember nin perlong biang nakabenta ke East Sales District. Nakabenta kiwe pat constituency ki bompat perlong. Badia kali ru ke jakang in perlong dia po ke office jong ke district council ni apo Shillong. Bat kali kadai nakabenta kini ki constituency harum. Nam ta kemelim laban moprang Nong Thamai, Lai Ukra Malki, Mokar Utarukra, Jayau, Molai, Moklang, Dingye, Bat Nong Spong Soyong. Te nanta kadu ngibu ka public hearing na kabenta ka West Sales Pat, haka khatsan tarik jong bulan Desember, arjana pulai, bat ika jaka berpeluang ya ka public hearing kedai haka office yo ka district council apo Nongstone. Bat kani kalau nak kebenta kini ki konstituensi harum nam takkan Nongstone ramrai jenam bat ka motion road.
Ka office kit ktin ri ke Japan to embassy ha India rengkat ke Indian Council of Cultural Research ICCR kila pelong ye ke jingpen inam ya ke syat ke kemen ke rawai ke siau ke put ke tem jong keri Japan Hasutham Auditorium Shillong. Kini ke jingpen inam bala ai kerteng North East Japan caravan arjar arpulai ke belasdang haka khat nyeu terik bat kan kut haka khat kendai terik Naiwieng. Haka sengis dang jong ini ke lempung penpriang ya ke kolshor jong ke Japan lepli perdana ke menteri ketenat ke kuat ke kia ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kum ke Kongsan rengkat menteri sorkar uba EL Hek u Commissioner of Arts and Culture Frederick R. Kharkongor, u Ambassador jong ke Japan u Hiroshi Suzuki kum kisembut Kongsan. Haka sengis dang lepin iru ikasap ke pong gisamla ke Jylla ke jengle akai karate bat judo daki kena ile akai ke Meghalaya Judo Association bat ke All Meghalaya Karate Association. Hakini gilai sengi lenter en pen i gisautli ki anime film bapau nam ke Japan ban hikai ke tin Japan bat kandon ru ke cosplay bat ki wedi ki culture jong ke Japan.
to meet with us, to mingle with us, to share some of your anime films, to share some of your calligraphy, your origami. These are all art forms which are not unknown to the people at large in the world. And you will be surprised, I will create, about the feeling of closeness that the people of our state will have with people of your country. It is also coincidental that you are here during the Cherry Blossom Festival. This is a festival season for the state of Meghalaya, and believe it or not, seeing and being a part of this rain is part of the deal. Coming to Shillong means coming to see the rain, coming to meet the clouds, coming to see the wetness around us, and enjoying the full bloom of the cherry blossom at this point of time. The ICCAR, particularly under the leadership of Munesh Singh himself, has played very great role in ensuring that the state of Meghalaya is not only portrayed outside to India and the world, but particularly he is one person who has been able to connect all of us together, regionally, nationally, and we see a new feather in your cap, Mr. Munesh, and that is bringing Japan to the city of Shillong. Very, very happy that you have done that, and on behalf of the Department of Art and Culture and the Honourable Minister who is not here, and on behalf of all of us at the Cabinet, we thank the ICCR for its commendable effort.
Umentri Rangbak ke Jylla Konrad ki sangma haga khat new trik Naiwieng ula plat pai ba Rhino Training Center Shillong yiki kali health polyclinic jang shipai kaban nei ajing sumar shiki shipai bala shang thait ni kilom garu hatura. Umentri Rangba ula penpawi ke jingkershan ke sorkar Jylla ki badai na kebenta ke bahag kemiat jang shipai bala shang thait. Hagani ke jingelang Menteri Rangba ula penbenaru ke jingerap song pisa ke basan lak na kepala Chief Minister Special Grant na kebenta ke ni ke kamba bha jang ki shipai.
Just fit. Nice. Very good. Very nice.
Of showing our gratitude and our thanksgiving to our armed forces for the contribution and the sacrifice that they make to protect each and every citizen of our country. And therefore, this is a very small step, but nonetheless a strong and a powerful message that we as a society and as a government and as a Chief Minister, we are there to always support you and be with you in every way that's possible. Meghalaya and Shillong specifically has always been a location where we have had a strong presence of the armed forces, and during the course of this years and the presence of the armed forces, we have faced challenges because of different kind of confusions and conflicts that were there in some ways. And but in the last many years, I have seen and noticed that we have seen a lot of collaboration now taking place between the civilians and the armed forces, and that's a very healthy trend. And this may be a very good occasion for me to stress on this aspect once again, that that as we move along through proper discussion, through proper activities where we work with the civilians and with the society at large and the armed forces together, we'll be able to really build up a very good environment and a good communication among the communities out here. And that, I think, has been happening, and that is happening, of course, because of the leadership within the armed forces that we have. And I must take this opportunity to thank all our the leaders, the Air Marshal, the Lieutenant General, and others who have been very proactive in this area and have ensured that we are able to create the right environment. At the end of the day, it is the country and it is our society and all of us that is right in front. The country is right in front and at the top of our agenda, and therefore we all, as members of the armed forces as well as the society, must work together to keep that agenda at the top of our agendas for all of us. So with these few words, I once again congratulate all of you. I thank each and every stakeholder who has made this program a success. And
in Meghalaya, the veteran health care was restricted to polyclinic at Shillong Military Hospital Shillong, and one in Panel Hospital at Woodland Hospital, also in Shillong. This year we have already taken a giant stride in improving healthcare for the veterans of Meghalaya by the historic empanelment of NAKAs. However, with all these facilities being limited to Shillong, a lot of ECHS beneficiaries, especially aged veterans residing in Garo Hills region, were facing hardship due to the compulsion to travel to Guwahati or at times to Shillong, even for minor ailments and surgeries or checkups. The need for expanding the reach of ECHS facility within Meghalaya was essential to bring in any tangible improvement for treatment of veterans in Meghalaya.
Ex-servicemen contributory health scheme was launched with effect from 1st April 2003 and is financed by Government of India.
Kakinhun kinong tray katanat penroy kakwat kakya, Meghalaya Asha Workers Union haga kat neutrik Naiwieng, kila pelong da peace rally ke belasdang najan ke ying sa jong ulat ke Jylla, bat lepen kut Ahmadan Malki. Kajing mi kinong tray Asha ban pelong da kajing ya rally ke dehadin kajing kren na ke menteri jong katanat kakwat kakya, ke Dr. Mizil Amprin Lingdok ke balaong be kinong tray Asha kidei kinong tray Monsngobha. Kini kajing kren ke menteri kala penbitar lab ya kakinhun jong ki Asha. Kinoy ilam jong kini kakinhun kila kerpat usembut menteri rangba ubak Preston Tensong ban shimti mardor ban penbet ahlor kini kajing dawa jong ki Asha namar kim sngau thu shu e kajing kren jong kong Amprin Lingdok kabala kelaktin na kawai kasngi sya kawai pat. Kila ongru bakim pediang e kajing kenok jong kong Amprin baki Asha kiri tang kinong trei Monsngobha. Hakini kajing elang kakinhun ki Asha kila rai benang ni syakmat kan penlong da keprotes rally.
Sngau sen ai, sngau tu perkat lem, tu dak latia keladam, dak he menstep bafin sngau tu, ya ke ai kini ke jingle ke jing ya ke jongi, om bangi dawa ya ke bahe, pisu jer kerteng ya kituki, lai puwai lak kita ki prau ai lai puwai hajar ki lai penyau hajar prau hajar, ki bandadu ki senam ki baladap, ki basnam ki baladap, ki adap bam, langut sakpo, mdan syu. Peknya kai kakam ke bangi tray mentah. Om baka pisa kat songsa. Subuh ma pisa set tulop si benar. Pis ngokum do. Ngilai dep yo anado arhajar kan yo arhajar kat pra. Nama balai na tren dia kata tidak nak tren kilong ke biasa jongi. Dia kit ya ba ita kam sama kau. Kalor kasuk. Tidak ni carai kijeng. Tiba dia kan do. Nama gidai tam ki pre. Ngin domba, iterai, idurut, nomor bengi tangan.
Akan Khubor, kasnawan, pensyai ande, ma, ika masya, kumbalaong kasor. Hato kane, kaka masya, kadai katray kamon sobha. Kadai kakam kamala sya te yangi. La syo bantray, namar ba, kalak. Simya Khubor kacami.
Kublay sibun kong mersena nong se Asha jong kahiru.
UMDC Karambrai Jerngam constituency ubak bajop pingrop haga kat neutrik Naiwieng ule pli perdaya kejingya kop penher tuk kabalatip kum ka West Khas Hills Motocross Challenge WKHMC haken keba harut ke surok Nongston bypass. Yakni kejingya kop penher tuk baar sengi lepeniat deke Evergreen Development Organisation harengkat kejingya snok tilang deke Ri Khasi Sepngi Federation. Kini keseng kelebu ika thong buskit da kasong pisa ka bekenjok syaka shipon sanlak tingka. Hakini kejingya kop penher tuk kidon saw benta kata ki beginner tang ki banapok ka West Khas Hills District novice class, expert class but second stroke and open class. Kini kejing penyekop kan kut ha kesengi kat pratrik Naiwieng. Ha kini kekenti bungut kinong nya tuk na keleng ke Jylla bat nabar kilawan banish menta.
Long ya kani ka motocross challenge arajar pulai nga skoban ai kejing ro ya kani ka organization ya ki members baro ki badan kani ka organization ki nong yalam sengbalang ki badan ringkat lem ha kani ka sengi ke batni hangne bat khamtam ya phi kinong yeshim benta ki blawan keleng saudang jong kani ka Jylla ka bai jongi bat kumjuru le se ya don ki bawan na bar jong ka state ka jongi ru ya kiru i pediang sobha ya phi baro syakani ka district ka jongi ka sim ka beningkong hawat ka dei kai ka ba ngau sarong kum ke district bangi yo kene ka organization ka balaban penyaj ya kene ka motocross challenge arjar arpulai ka balong ka ik ka ba yangi kum ka West Cassius district ka badang log thumai hawat bat khawairu skwa ban pentip kene ka cakak neru ka badan hang ne ngayo ban sim no parlok jonga kani cakak steng ka di ka jonga ka ba ya penyaj ya kene bat nga dap da jingkemer na bang ada ya cha constituency banlet ngayo i ba ya practice ki khun samla jongi jonga ne ka dong ka than hakane ka jaka bat nganget ba barok ki be simbenta kinya ai kata ka sporting spirit bat barok be simbenta nga ai ka jingket bak kit biang ya pi barok bat nganget ba nakane ka motocross challenge hang ne nginang mi susu bon ki klur ki ban nya bike ki batrim hapo kani ka Jylla ka bayi jongi ki bala banwara ya kanam nakabenta ka yeng ka sem ka jongki nakabenta ka imlang salang nakabenta ka ri baka jaj beriu hi jongi hi barakaway te klam na sim ya ka por nga declare ya kani ka motocross challenge arjar arpulai open but ngakit bakit yang sasisin ya ka evergreen development organization ka ba sim ya kani ka sinjam ban penyat ya kani ka program but ya kani ka motocross challenge but nakaliang jongaru awat kat ka bangala kan dan kata kakti kaman kti ka diang na banta kane ka development organization ka jongpi bat nga kitbok kit biang saisin bau blay try kan rat non ringkat bat barok ki bay sim banta ha kane ka motocross challenge arajara pulai
Kajing ang nuot jing gipat ba kathan mau et banyo no ek surok nong stan mau et ka babha la palat san pausnem kala urlong hakapor ba uba jigur merthong ulalong MDC bat MLA motion road haka ayom arjar khat pra du arajar arpulai bat kajing tre kini ke surok kilaya chaprang da kajing yai tenru jong niurang ba na kabenta kini ke surok menta kala urlong wat la da uba jigur umlong shu unong mi kmat pai ba na kini kethan ka senjuk kinong senchar shnong mau et area ka klem klet ya kajing tre shitom uniurang ba akapor ba ulong MLA haka khat niu trik Naiwieng ka senjuk la penkub buram yu ba jigur merthong MLA barim ka motion road ban ngongu iki kamba bha ba ulale ka ayom MLA jong u ya kini kajing yalang la pelong ha hall St Mary School mau et balai don lang ki pai ba kinong senchar shnong bat kisamla samhoi na kini kethan
yangi bangi yo hakaju ka fort re nakaleng yo nga sukwa pan supau kendiat ba hag arja kapra kajing tu kaban koke haga jimut jing perkat nadu mensim kadai tang artli di project di bahe kata kadai ngoi ka kali surop bat kadai ka surop non-stop mawai. Kalau ke ba, sengau kemen ya, wala dangam poi susah kator, ngasngau he mensim abang alik, caga iri mawai, bat caga iri non try. Nomor pelai, ngasutu ya ka eka bang alat tray. Nomor baban keren kalau ke basuk, yano Andre haba pila sim yang akam bankit panba ya kadong katain kemut kalau kabae adu katata ban ulong kaba kongsan ban ulong yin hamare thom tinggal persan hakaneka sansnem baladep bag ngada sulukumen baka e kabangala kular haka sansnem ka ere mawe ngam kular ya ka nyop sansnem nyop san kilometer ndre ngam kular ya ka san kilometer bat mentang pergi kala ulong baru san kilometer ikane kade kajing singokmen ka bakrau nagta jungar kum nung hikmat akapor baladep ndre ki baru khat kini baru khat kade kajing ya trelang jongki ki pa lese ngasad don barabor ban sakri ya kane gadong mathan larangam job aga arja katra lese kata kajing tungujung akamulong ndre don bok bapi ki pa pila jip ya kate ka arja katra ban ngila yo kapto katme wala rangim yo baru khat ya ki jingduna jong kadong mathan ndre sanpo 100% nila yo arte ka arja ka prang kalau kai kaba kaji kerku kaba kraw na buta kadong kathan jungi sane nomor ba fitip ya ka west hasil si agapor balade kisan nyogin ha barabor nomor ngaset kon hasunda jong di politik si ngamte ba ngawan politik tang ha arja ka prang beri ngaset kersan ye ki emlek baper tang na kadaw bangar na angnut baga konsumsi jungi lane ki kawes kesil jungi kanyui kum kiwe ki dong kitan namar ngaset lek samaan ki jaka konsumsi jung kiwe kinang yo development miang ne kabanang jid emle nang sabin ci sabin tinga kumu kun jong kane kadong matani hakatega arjat kapra ngan persan tinggal persan bandaga bor kebarit kat kabadon kebuit kabor ngal persan ndre ngamla ban punhun ye iwe prewe lese kadai tang kata ka jingduna ndre nakaleng jonga ya kaba ye de ban development ngal persan ni bantur kat bangadon kebuit kabor ndre wala katar ngimde ban singoker bangal syarem menta kemud ngam num dia teri langsung kata kulung kababakla nomar ngam dei bam ngaperkat tang nam ta arjar katra bat ha arjar kulai ndre ngaperkat nadu bangadang he langsan apo salang bisa perkat bakuno ngin develop jangan ka dong athan bak mentar lese nakaleng jumpi pitarai ba nga batu parit niam busun nakaleng junga unjudon kita mentar dia kendu ni sekeren sapang kajinge jong kadong atan katang apply bi nomor play habangi sarem ni depan accept ya kajing sarem nakadaw yu ni hapwan ya kajing bakla dilado don kajing bakla ngila pan ya penbai bat kajing jong kajing rem kasut don bai undai bangin singorem ya kata nakaling jonga nomor ba ngamdon kataka jingkwa burung bakwa kiwe ngre ka jingkwa jonga kumno ban rat tingkong ya ka jinge jongka konsumsi jongi ngila ba konsumsi jong kiwe kira ki department baper hangi pat ni supai ni su yoi ni su jaudut ya kiwe ndre ni don bok ba mentar ni yo ya ubriu ubadai na ka trasnong namne na po mau sindrudi tingin nakaleng yung nga kula rapi bangangan ya trelang bet nakabenta ka bhaga bet jong na dong athay wat nung tharai ba ngala sarem kumot nga ino no yaga dong athan jong mo sinut paraboy ngam nung ino daleleru ngan persangi bat pilayu i hagane ka hendet sngi bale kane ka ulong beng ke kat kilometer kabangidang sa menhakane ila ulong beng nak dai nak tahu niat rela ndai ba tang balarem ngin som khopno nomor iui ya ka jinge tingin dai ban thai kmat ba tang sularem mut ngin ya wo kijat no ya no ndre dai ban ya rela nak kita ka jing ba jong ka dong than Ingana kaleng junga ngasuk tentu yapi kirang bak senong bar kuat hane badon angkat dega ere mawe tong India trelang kadang bun kecing sadin akan kadong mathan
Meghalaya AIDS Control Society MECS ringkat baka National AIDS Control Organization kin penlong ye jing thwet ye kin hun rwai ki sur bathyang da ka ba penlong ye jing ko pan se ye ki samla ki broni ki sap bajanai hakar wai ka siam ka thong jong ni ka lumpung ye kop ka long ban ye khun persha ye jing pang acquired immunodeficiency syndrome AIDS ka blas dang ban bampong ye ki babon ki brew ka ni ka Jylla ki jing rwai ki de ban don ki kinten ni khun persha ye jing pang AIDS la batha ki nong penyai ye ka ni ka jing ye kop la ai kerteng da ka red ribbon superstar Meghalaya icon arjar arpulai Kisamla ki bashim minta kini kelumpung kin long khat pras nem karta shajrong. Kajing thmu kolong ban pinsngau bat pen pei phang ye kijing ma jing jenjar bat jing kordit ye kitu ki bangat ye kini kijing pang AIDS khamta mi kisamla ki bedang khatsan hadu arp khandais nem karta. Injit sani ki kin hon rwai hakalai phautarek Naiwieng ha community hall waing do. Hakashitarik no pra kasngi baka perthai karakhi kasngi khun persha gijing pang AIDS World AIDS Day hinyo tili ki kin hon bawan chakmat e kin yo alat ban pinsawai ki sur bat jing tem bathyang jangki hamadan pulo hakani kasngi ki sur bat ki jing tem jangki kin shat phang lang ban yele persha e gijing pang HIV AIDS haka Jylla hakari bada ka perthai bro kawai la ong kinong penya jangkani kijing yako.
So we are actually a group, Inspired Relations and Politicians, along with Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. We like to present and even we call it the multimedia red ribbon superstar icon. And this event is actually a rock band music contest that we have been organizing for the last 12 years. So this will be the 12th edition of the Meghalaya Icon. And this event will be held, the audition will be held on the 30th of this November at Community Hall, Windog, Shillong. And the grand finale will be held at Polo Ground on the 1st of December. So that is the event. And this event actually is a program which is actually jointly organized by Inspired Relations and Meghalaya AIDS Control Society to capitalize the music scene here in Meghalaya to actually promote HIV and AIDS awareness. So this multi-day campaign that we are organizing, we are trying to bring in the message that the message on HIV and AIDS awareness and that people should be safe from HIV. Okay, should be safe from HIV. At the same time, we're trying to also promote young talents so that they also get a platform, and through the music we can actually impart the knowledge and awareness on HIV/AIDS. So I'll let you hand over the audition. So 7 bands will be actually selected to actually proceed to the finals, to the grand finale, and the participants will be from Meghalaya itself. It'll be open only for bands from Meghalaya, and the whole process of actually selecting the bands also will be based on they have to actually compose an HIV and AIDS theme song. That's actually compulsory, and all the bands have to have a song on HIV and AIDS. Also at the same time, all the bands who actually register for the event, they have to actually go for compulsory counseling and testing at the ICTC centers that actually is present at the government hospitals. So this is actually a part that we want to promote the youths through music to actually go and get themselves tested for HIV, and also at the same time this will help break the stigma and the discrimination that perhaps they might be thinking or maybe they might be facing. So also at the same time, we also encouraging actually everyone to also go for the counseling and testing. So as part of this whole multi-day campaign, we also have a list of other varieties and performances that we are actually conducting during this particular event. We also have live music that will be performed by Lily Sawian as guest artist, and also we have a performance by DJ Brian, and of course we have also other artists as well, including the bells. So this will actually add to the beauty of
Kekenhun yeli akai football Sikkim Boys FC kelawan poi hanong stan banya kun persya ikanong Bri Brothers FC ha kelumpung knockout football tournament arjar arpulai arjar arpsau balapenya the new Nongstoin Sports Social and Cultural Club. Ka Sikkim Boys FC kan kun persya ikanong Bri Brothers FC ha ka khat praterik Naiwieng hamadan new Nongstoin ha ka por shibaji janmit. Kani kajing kun kadai ka baar ha kani kelumpung. Ka Sikkim Boys FC Maria Poi Hanong Stan kalalej ban pet benya e kajing long jingman kamadan bat ban kilan met kum kajing pen kre e kajing kun ha kasngi ka babot. Kani ka team kala pen kre ban pen iperthai ki but jong kinong yele akai jongka. Kinong penyat kila antat bat kmi lenti ban pen long e kajing yele akai ka pe itenat bat ka pe itiang ban pen jat hat ye ki kmat jong ki pat pa ka than Nong Stan. Kinong yelam kani ka team kila ong ha kinong thok Khubor ba kinong yele akai jong ki kila pen kre ban rong e ka nam la adu na kani ka lumpung sha Sikkim. Kawi kajing bikinong ile akai kin ya kendu kalong bikim jumlin ban ya kun hamadan kendo kila ya ong.
Sikkim celebration कर रहा है. First of all हम thank you देना चाहेंगे यहाँ Nongstoin जो organizer उसको हम दिल से शुक्रिया देना चाहते हैं कि वहाँ ये मैच के लिए इनविटेशन देने के लिए और हमारा सिक्किम का भी ये इससे आगे पहले एक मैच जीत गया हमने नाइट मैच जो टूर्नामेंट हुआ था फाला का उसके चैंपियन रह चुका है. अभी हमारा टीम टीन एज का 18-19 ईयर का लड़का लोग है. सभी प्लेयर फिट है, अच्छा है. सोच के आए हैं हम जीत के जाएंगे और इसीलिए हम प्रैक्टिस एवरीडे प्रैक्टिस करके आ रहे हैं. प्रैक्टिस हमारा अच्छा हो रहा है. हम जीतने के लिए आए और आज से हम जीत के जाएंगे. प्रॉब्लम होगा वहाँ पर हम एवरीडे ट्रॉफ में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और अचानक हम यहाँ मड में खेल रहे हैं. ये हमारा ज़्यादा मड में नहीं खेलता है. फर्स्ट हम ट्रॉफ में खेलता है. थोड़ा ग्राउंड बैलेंस हमको मुश्किल होगा. अभी सभी फैंस के लिए वेलकम करना चाहते हैं कि हमें भी कुछ सपोर्ट करिए. हम इतना दूर से आए सिक्किम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. फैंस हमको वहाँ को वेलकम करना चाहते हैं कि हमारा मैच देखे कुछ सपोर्ट करिए. इतना दूर से वहाँ का प्यार दीजिए.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngila poi shika bekut tak hadu pengdai syambiang kuble shibon.